Hey everyone, today we'll be changing the rear diff oil on a WRX STI. So to start off, what you want to do is remove this connector here. This is your temperature sensor. So we'll be checking out the sensor because that is the fill port. So once you pull out this connector, make sure you open this. Always open your fill port before you open your, always open your fill plug before you start draining your diff, just in case you can't get this open. You can leave it as it is. So when you're ready to drain it, get your container ready. Pull out your fill plug and then open your drain plug, which you just loosened. Don't forget to change your washer. Keep a rag ready near you so you can just put the drain bolt, which just fell in. So this particular car takes a 75/90. Check your owner's manual for your own reference, but I'll be using a full synthetic Castrol 75/90. For reference, you need a 24mm deep socket to take out the sensor here, and the drain plug is a 17. Once all your fluid is drained out, you can go back and put your bolt back in. Make sure you change your washer that I showed you earlier. Change that, and we'll go ahead and torque this down to 49 Newton meters. Now this, if you're looking at the service manual, is the H5 type differential. That's what Subaru called it. So they want you to torque filler bolt at least down to 60 Newton meters. That's for part one. Part two for myself. So now we'll go ahead and torque this down to 49 Newton meters using our torque wrench. Well, you can take it. No rush. You want it to better one. You go. Yeah, that's fine. You go.